What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time visiting, welcome. My name is Jessica, and today I have a recipe for you that is pretty darn good if I say so myself. We are making a chile verde with pork, and we're using none other than the Instant Pot. If you love food, if you love easy recipes, and if you love healthy recipes, and if you love the Instant Pot, or you're just trying to find more recipes, trying to get into that health mode, you know, summer's coming up, and you're trying to just figure out more recipes to use in your Instant Pot at home if you just got one from Amazon Prime, I know. Then keep on watching, this one's for you.
Alright, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need, or you can always see below for a list of everything I used. These are the main tools we'll be using: the Instant Pot, some baking sheets, maybe some parchment paper, and also a blender. I forgot to put that here. First thing we do is season the pork. I'm using boneless country-style pork ribs. Cut the pork in small cube-like pieces and set it aside. The base of this gorgeous chile verde sauce and green color you recognize are these green tomatillos. You'll notice they're a bit sticky, but these little guys are rich in fiber and vitamins that support our digestive health and also help strengthen cancer-fighting cells. Amazing, right? We're going to remove the outer shell, clean them, cut them in half, and add them to the baking sheet. We'll do the same for the onion and garlic. And add all of this to the same baking sheet. See how simple, organic, even vegan and paleo this healthy chile verde sauce is? Love it! Next, we're going to sprinkle about a tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil and mix them well so everything gets coated, and pop this in the oven to broil for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want to keep an eye on them so that they don't burn. We don't want burnt chile verde sauce. While that's baking, let's move on to the Anaheim peppers. We're going to roast these over your burner, turning very often. These are so fun. I remember watching my abuelo cooking like this. It was so common to cook over an open fire. Your tortillas, elote, honey, you name it. We roast until they look pretty burnt like this. Cover them up completely to let them sweat off their skin. This is so key. I don't like spicy myself, so this recipe is not particularly hot. You can roast some jalapeños or other peppers to make it just the way you like it. Now we're going to brown the pork. Hit saute on your Instant Pot and wait till it gets hot. Add a bit of oil like avocado oil and brown in batches. What we want here is a little color on the pork. It's okay if it's still pink on the inside. It will finish cooking in the Instant Pot later. I like to clean the bottom of the pot with some of the chicken broth. These little crisp bits at the bottom will add so much flavor to your sauce and also prevent any burning. Turn off the pot and let's finish this sauce. About now, those tomatillos and onions should be ready and have this nice golden color. Let's take them out of the oven and set those aside. And by now, those Anaheim peppers have sweated up a storm. You should be able to peel the skin right off, just like this. Now you see why we covered them, right? This might be the most laborious part of the entire recipe, but it's so worth it, just trust. Now we're going to remove the seeds and veins. Next, we add the tomatillos, onion, garlic, peppers into the blender. And blend. Seriously, you can make this sauce and have it in a jar in your fridge for anything. It's so good. And finally, we put everything into the Instant Pot. The pork, the salsa verde, the rest of the chicken broth, a teaspoon of each salt, pepper, Ancho Chile powder, but of course modify to your taste liking. Close the pot and make sure to seal your vent. Press pressure cook or manual. We're going to cook on high pressure for 20 minutes. When it's done, flip the valve to release the pressure immediately. And we're done! You can serve this chile verde traditionally with a side of rice, frijoles, and a salad, but usually for me, I get so impatient and I eat it almost like a stew. This chile verde can be perfect for meal prep. I'd recommend a side of roasted veggies and quinoa, or potato even if you're eating paleo. The flavors of the pork, tomatillos, and peppers combine so beautifully, almost like it's been cooking for hours and hours. And the crazy thing is, this dish took us all in all about 45 minutes. It's almost too good to be true.
So good, right? If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it because this helps me know if you want to see more recipes in the future or videos just like this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!